Hello everyone, today I'll show you why the mouse doesn't work in our laptop. For example, this mouse is working. So what you need to do, first of all you have to remove the keyboard of your laptop. I already removed the keyboard, so all I have to do is I just need to lift the keyboard. So now as you can see we have two ribbon cables, this one and this one. Make sure they are connected. If one of them get disconnected, then your mouse won't work. So finally you have to connect the keyboard of your laptop. Thank you for watching, guys. If you need any more information from me, then please do not hesitate to make a comment on this video. Thank you for watching.